Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Open Google Meet in your browser or the mobile app before switching apps. Join the meeting and confirm your audio and video are working properly. On desktop, click the three dots and choose Change Layout or Present Now as needed. Use a separate browser window for Meet so you can Alt-Tab between applications quickly. Enable Picture-in-Picture on Chrome for floating video, or use split screen on Windows or Mac OS. On mobile, enable Picture-in-Picture in Settings, then press Home to keep Meet visible. Before switching apps, choose the correct microphone and speaker in Google Meet settings. Click the three dots, then Settings, then Audio to select your preferred devices. Use wired headphones to reduce echo and enable noise cancellation if available. Mute your microphone when not speaking to avoid background noise leaking into the call. Enable Do Not Disturb on your device to prevent pop-ups and notification sound interruptions. If screen sharing, choose a specific window to protect other app content and privacy. While using other apps, keep Google Meet visible with Picture-in-Picture or Windowed mode. Use keyboard shortcuts to mute or hang up quickly without returning to the Meet tab. On Windows, press Alt+A to mute and Alt+V to toggle camera in many browsers. Turn off your camera when not needed to reduce CPU and bandwidth usage significantly. Close heavy apps or pause large downloads if you experience lag or pixelated video. When finished, stop presenting, leave the meeting, and close the Meet window to save resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.